Hello and welcome. So today I am going to be talking about Rubus Spectabilis. So this here is the salmon berry. This is just coming into bloom. They're supposed to have 5 petals. This one's just a little broken. I think this is a better example. This is a berry that's very high in vitamin C. It's very high in antioxidants. It's native to the Pacific Northwest of North America. It has this very smooth golden colored bark when it's juvenile, but when it gets closer to the base and more mature, it starts producing these little spines. Don't know if you can see those, they're pretty sharp. It's in the Rosaceae family, so it's related to roses. Um, it sets out fruit in June, July, and August, and the fruits they resemble a raspberry, and they're either orange or red or peach, and sometimes even black in coloration. Um, this is just what the blooms look like once the blooms have stopped and have been fertilized. You can see because the erupted stamens, there's a little corolla of stamens here. And then the inside, the ovule starts to swell, and then you start getting fruit set. So I'll see if I can find an example of that here. Just a sec. There we go. That's your little fruit. That's your little ovary. Now these plants here are self-fertile, which means that you only need one to get fruit set. And they do provide clonal canes from the base. So here in the forest you can see that. It's a natural process where it just emerges from multiple parts by the crown. As they mature, they have a cascading root system. So you can see that in the major roots. It's quite a superficial root system too. I would highly recommend this plant for if you want a natural forage crop or if you really like sweet berries growing naturally in your garden. It's a rather tall plant. It can exceed 10 feet. This is a pretty short specimen here. This one's about 9 feet. It's long-lived and it will regularly keep producing canes. Each cane lives for about 3 years before it dies back to ground level, and then it regenerates from the base. So that's Rubus Spectabilis. I hope you enjoy. It's native to the Western Cordillera of North America, and it's cold hardy to approximately -10 degrees Celsius, and it requires exceptional drainage, lots of natural nitrogen. It benefits from peat fertilizer, and it's just a really good, like, summer producing berry bush. Once again, very high in vitamins. So I highly recommend it, and it's got these beautiful little flowers that bees seem to love. So yeah, have a good one.